I'm not sure how much I lost on that one, but the camera went out on me. So, hope you can see this. Fairly straightforward. I can tell where I got up to because it leaves a handprint in comparison with the clean holes. Seed potatoes, Charlotte secondaries, and starting to look a little bit wrinkled now, but that's to be expected at this stage. That one just nicely dropped in. So did that one. So just to keep it where it should be. Well, that was a quick job, but only took about 10 minutes. All 14 buckets have now been planted with the potatoes, and I ended up putting 3 in each bucket. I must have miscounted. Silly old git. A few more pricking outs today. I'll start with the easy ones. These are just some spare jalapenos. I'll be giving these away. This one's not looking absolutely brilliant, but it's got obstructed by the seed again, the seed shell coating. Don't pop off properly, but we'll see. Someone might appreciate it at some stage if it gets going. So that was a quickie. Just need to transfer the label over. Some jalapenos. And the next lot is cayenne chili. Exactly the same, but these are not spares. These are the only ones that came up. I'm going to have to get better seeds. I thought I'd saved some from last year, but I obviously didn't. But anyway, I do have 3, which is actually okay for me if they come. Hoping they do. Check it, and camera's still going. It switched itself off earlier for some reason. Yeah, just the 3. That's in. That's done. And now for the difficult one. Look at the size of these. I have to prick these out and try to make them so that they take. So I've got to be very careful. Took a while for them to germinate, even on the Super 7, and they will be going back home, same as those chilies I've just done for the windowsill. In fact, no, I think what I'll do with these, I think I'll put them in the greenhouse. The greenhouse is now frost free, pretty much, so they won't take won't take to freezing, but I'm pretty sure they'll be kept frost free. So let's have a go with these. And all I'm going to do, that's way too many for me, so I'm going to take from one end and any that's left I'm going to leave in here as spares, so if they don't make it I've got a second chance. Size of that. This is so difficult. When you're a ham-fisted buffoon like me, it'll take a while for these to get big enough to pot on. Makes me wonder how they how you can grow them direct. Must be so difficult. But this is a good stage to do these at because they've not got too much of a root on them. The thing is with celery and celeriac, I think I mentioned it, that they are water loving, so don't ever let them dry out. Nothing like chilies, which you can let dry out and then rehydrate, but we'll see what these look like in a month's time. Give these a water bath, put these in the water bath, and then they'll go on the greenhouse shelf.